Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking the map and coordinates into your GPS. Make sure the datum matches the map. Once done, mark your base point with a flag so you can navigate back. You should verify compass declination and set it on the device. This prevents a systematic drift. Move immediately to the first waypoint using a straight line bearing, keep speed steady, and scan the terrain. If you encounter ambiguous landmarks, drop a temporary marker and recheck coordinates before proceeding. Once at the general area, switch to a structured grid search to eliminate gaps. You want 10-meter lanes with about 20% overlap to catch hidden markers. While sweeping, continuously cross-reference map features like ridgelines and streams because the marker is often placed near distinct terrain. If GPS signal degrades, shift to compass bearings and pacing, count your steps, and reset every known landmark. Make sure to keep flagging promising spots and photograph each one for later comparison. You approach slowly once the GPS reads within 5 meters and switch to a fine visual search. Inspect ground cover under rocks and vertical surfaces like posts or trees. When you find a potential Xanwood marker, verify it by reading inscriptions, color codes, and any registry number. This confirms authenticity. Once confirmed, document with photos and coordinates, then replace any disturbed cover as you found it. If nothing appears, log exact coordinates. Take high-resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.